Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to import and export with Excel in Monday.com. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, once you log into your account, you might end up over here. At the top right corner, you will see your icon for your profile. Click on this, and under that, you will find import data. Click on this one. Once you click on this, the first thing you will see Excel. Click on this one, and after that, you can drag your file and even you can browse. So I have my file at the desktop. As you can see, I'm going to select this one, and obviously you can start customizing right away with your new board. Click on this option, and here you can see you can select your first row. Make sure to select this one. This is my first row, so I'm going to click on that. Click on next. First column is going to be this one, and after that you can even assign the number column or status column or text column. It's all on you. You can see how it works, functions. If you have some numbers in your columns, you can assign that. If you have indication, the state or progress of each row, you can assign this one. And it's a free form information annotation. So you can go with this one. For now, I'm going with this one, and obviously it can recognize by itself, as you can see. So click on create board, and this is how you can easily import Excel file on your Monday.com. Now, how you can export it. It's very easy as well. So what you can do, if you want to export only this group tile, go to over here at the left side of the title, click on this, and here you will see export to Excel. That's it. But if you want to export whole board, let's say you have more groups at bottom, how you can export all of them in a single file. At the top right corner, you will see this one, this option. Click on this, and here you just need to click on more actions, and under that we have export board to Excel. Click on this option. You can include upgrades also, and you can send a copy to email if you want. And after that, once you click on export, you will export whole board to Excel file. That's it. This is all you need to know how to do it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.